Illustrate means to make something clearer by providing examples, visuals, or demonstrations. It's like telling a story, not just with words, but with images, diagrams, or charts. Think about when a teacher draws on the board to explain a complex idea. Illustration works by transforming abstract thoughts into something more tangible. For instance, reading about a solar system is different from seeing a model that shows each planet's orbit. It's about bridging the gap between the imagination and understanding. Visual learners especially appreciate illustrations because they process information better when they can see it. Imagine trying to learn how to tie a knot purely from a written guide. Now picture a step-by-step diagram accompanying the text. Big difference, right? The pain point here is that many people struggle with learning just through text. Illustrations simplify the learning process by adding context and visibility. They reduce cognitive load, making retention easier and more effective. Let's take cooking as an example. Recipe books with images provide a clear understanding of each step compared to those without visuals. Think about drooling over a perfectly iced cake instead of just imagining it. Now that's motivation. So step-by-step illustrations often serve as a guide for creating something intricately designed. This is especially true in DIY projects or assembling furniture. One diagram can show what 10 paragraphs of text cannot. Saving time, saving headache. Interestingly, illustrations are not just for static images. Animations can illustrate complex systems in action, like showing how a car engine works. Moving visuals keep the brain engaged longer, allowing for deeper understanding and longer retention. Pro tip, when creating an illustration, simplicity is key. Too much detail can overwhelm the viewer. Aim for clarity and focus on what you're trying to communicate most effectively. Less is more might sound cliche, but it's incredibly valid here. The effectiveness of illustrations is not limited to learning and teaching. They can also persuade and inspire. Advertisers, for example, use strong visuals to create emotions and connections that words alone might fail to achieve. One step that can add impact to any presentation is integrating visual storytelling. Humans have been telling stories with pictures since cave paintings, and a well-placed image can make your message resonate far beyond its verbal parts. The power of illustrations lies in its universality. Where words might get lost in translation, pictures can universally communicate ideas and emotions. It's like a silent language everyone can understand without uttering a word. And so the next time you struggle to explain something complex, think about how an illustration might bridge that gap. And in a world that's increasingly visual, mastering the art of illustration is like having a universal translator at your disposal